Let's talk about some terminology when it comes to dunes. The wind is coming from the left. The dune crest is here at the highest point. And before that, there is something called the Stoss slope. So that's also called the windward slope sometimes. On the opposite side is the lee slope, sometimes called the slip face slope. And here on that lee slope is the slip face. So there's an angle of the slip face, it is about 34 degrees, and that's where the sand will tend to avalanche if the angle of that slip face exceeds 34 degrees. It just isn't stable. So if there's more sand builds up, it will tend to avalanche down and always keep that slip face at about that angle. So sand grains will saltate, hop along and come from one side of the dune, from the Stoss slope over the crest onto the lee slope, and then avalanche down the slip face. And these other pieces on either side of the dune would be called the interdune. So those are places with little or no sand. And the result of that transport of sand from the Stoss slope to the lee slope results in erosion of the Stoss slope and deposition on the lee side. So what that results in is this being the former position of the dune and this being the future position of the dune.